And this review video is for the Glowmind 8-inch glow sticks 100 pack, but you'll actually be getting 3 of these tubes right here. Glow bracelets and necklaces. You got bracelets, small necklaces, big necklaces. You just add 1, 2, 3, or for a necklace 1, 2, or bracelets, just 1. 7 bright, vibrant colors: purple, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and pink. Non-toxic, glows for hours. Okay, so let's open these up and check them out here. We're gonna actually cut this top part, and like I said, you'll be getting 3 of these 100 packs right here, and all you have to do is cut this top section right here, and you'll get inside your connectors for all of the bracelets or for all the glow sticks, and you'll get your 100. So you've got the yellows and the pinks and the reds and the blues and greens. Okay, so let's pull a couple of these out and break them open. So this is a great deal. You can get 300 of these and use them for hours and hours. So here we go. Let's get a couple different colors. We'll turn the lights off and break. Okay, here we go. Lights off, and 3, 2, 1. Here we go, breaking. Boom, look at that. That's super cool. So you want to crack them all the way, and there we go. There are some of the colors. Now as you crack them more, they will get brighter, and that luminescence inside will get a lot better and more colorful. But there you go. Check it out. You got the orange and the green, the turquoise and blue, kind of a blue purple, some red ones. That's super cool to add in there, and some pink. So these are really good neon glow sticks. Get 300 of these. 3 packs, 3 100 packs, but this is what the glow sticks look like. Use your connectors right here to make necklaces. Okay, and like I said, you use your connectors. You can make a big ring right here. You can use 1 connector to make a bracelet, or 2 to make a necklace. And the more you break these, the better they'll light up and get brighter. There we go. Super cool glow sticks. These glow sticks are from Glowmind for the 8-inch glow sticks 100 pack, but you actually get 3, so there'd be 300 of them.